Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another combat sports gear review. Today I'm going to be reviewing my brand new pair of gloves that I haven't even hit the pads with yet. These are my brand new Hayabusa T3 Toku shoes. I've heard really great things about these gloves. I'm going to use the right glove as an example for this review, as I usually do my reviews. So these right off the bat are in the rose gold colour, which personally I think looks absolutely amazing. If you guys can see that, it's kind of got a pinkish tinge to it, obviously rose gold, yeah. These are the Hayabusa T3 Toku shoes. I got these in 16 ounce, as you can see on there. It'll be mirrored for you guys because I'm using the reverse camera. But I've never tried a pair of Hayabusa gloves, and I'm expecting really good things because I've heard these are the best gloves you can get, circa winning, aside from winning, that for your knuckle protection and your wrist protection. So the gloves that I was kind of hearing about in this price range was the Hayabusas that I ended up going for, these, and Rival RB11s, but I preferred the look of these, so I went for these. So this has a splint support, which is a wrist support, dual X plus 4 times fusion splinting, is what it says on the website. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. That's to do with all of this foam stuff. It's got multi-layered foam technology, which is called Delta EG, apparently, in the Hayabusa. It's got a dual X hook and loop closure, which I love, and I will be showing in this review in a moment. It's basically got some moisture wicking fabric for the inside liner, which I'll show in a minute, which is apparently called temperature regulating AG fabric. It's Vylar engineered leather, so these are not real leather, these are Forks leather, but they're meant to be more durable than leather, so we'll see how they hold up, I guess. It's got an ergonomic thumb position. It definitely has that. It's very comfortable. It's got an attached thumb, perforated palm, and a grip bar, so there is breathable holes on the bottom of this glove, which is good for perforation, as it says. And yeah, again, these are the 16s. So first, we'll take a look at the glove. I think the glove looks absolutely amazing. It's got this kind of, especially in this one that I've got, it's got like this rose gold tinge to it, which is kind of like a pinkish, violet, purplish chrome, I guess. It's a bit like neochrome, and it has this kind of vinyl design that goes right round to the palm of the glove. Taking a look at the palm of the glove, it is very good craftsmanship. It feels well made, ventilated palm. Pretty decent grip bar, not a giant grip bar, and I would say medium to high density foam. These are quite dense. I don't think I would use these gloves for sparring, but for training they will. I have a feeling they'll be very good. One thing I like about this glove a lot as well is, I don't know if you guys can see it here, it's got like this kind of fabric, like suede palm, and this part that like wraps around the glove. This part here as well, the vinyl part on some other gloves is actually like a carbon fibre kind of effect, and on some others it's like gold, but this is like the kind of, again, pink and white rose gold colourway. It's got Hayabusa written, engraved into the gloves, and one thing I've noticed as well with the logo, it's actually engraved into the glove, which I really, really like. So on to one of the biggest things that I love as well. This has a dual X hook and loop closure. So what that means is it's actually got 2 straps, and if you guys have a look in here, I'll show you guys the inside liner as well. Very moisture wicking, very comfortable. I could tell these gloves were comfortable straight away when I put them on. They felt like moulded to your hand. And this kind of 4-piece foam here, it's really hard to bend. It's going to be very good for on the bags that you don't bend your wrist back. But putting my hand into the glove, it just fits perfectly, like a glove, no pun intended. But one thing that I really like is it has this elastic strap here, which goes right through the glove. So basically what this means, this is the dual X hook and loop closure, is you can put your hand in the glove, and it feels so comfortable. And you pull this elastic, and it pulls the glove around your wrist. And then you lock that in. So that already feels like what a regular boxing glove feels like. But then, to make it even better, when you pull this, it pulls this whole part all the way around over the previous Velcro for a full lock-in feeling with these gloves, and it feels so supportive. It's great. I mean, it's all right at feeling supportive. I haven't trained with these yet. I may do an update video on these after I've trained with them, but it fits perfectly. The thumb feels perfect. Really, just in general, nice fitting gloves, and I think they look great as well. I'm a really big fan of this kind of rose gold colour. You can get these in many different colourways. You can get them in white and hot pink, blue and green, black and gold, white and gold, white and red. There's like literally about 20 different colours you can get these in, and on all of the gloves, the stripes on here, the different parts are also different colours. So if you guys want to check them out, go to the Hayabusa website. There's, again, just tons and tons of colours. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. I don't really have much else to say because I haven't actually trained in these gloves yet, but I'll let you guys know what I think after I have. And for now, take care, guys. If you haven't checked out my reviews that I've recently posted of the RDX T15 Noir MMA sparring gloves and the RDX F6 Cara shin guards and the RDX F4 F4 gloves, check that out as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, guys, take care. I hope you're all enjoying the reviews and mainly the highlight videos that I've been posting, and I will see you all in another video. So for now, guys, take care. Thanks for watching my review of the Hayabusa T3s, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So bye bye.